This is a 25-in-1 black multi-tool from Grand Way. Grand Way is a Ukrainian company that's been around for over 10 years now. They have a large variety of offerings in knives and multi-tools, as well as other sporting goods, sporting optics like rifle scopes, binoculars, and so forth. This is the 2237 multi-tool. It comes packaged in a cardboard box, which I find to be a plus because it makes it much easier for gift wrapping. Inside the box, knife will be wrapped in a cellophane container. The knife case is made out of aircraft aluminum. It has rubberized grips that are affixed to the outside of the case, which makes for a much more secure grip. And when you open it up, it has spring-loaded pliers, which is pretty handy. They're a needle nose type plier that includes wire cutters and also wire strippers. As far as the functions in the multi-tool, there are a lot of different tools available. There's of course a knife blade, a can opener and a bottle opener, a couple of awls of different sizes for poking holes in leather, a fish scaler, which is kind of an interesting addition. You can't see it on the video too well, but scribed on the fish scale is a ruler that goes up to about 2.5 inches. On the other side of that, there's a file. And there's also on the other side, several different functions. There's a flat tip screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, can and bottle opener, and then there's a square bit that's used with a variety of other attachments that are included, different size Phillips head screwdrivers, flat tip screwdrivers.
Hold them up.
Flat tip screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, flat tip screwdrivers of several different sizes, and those are used if I can get this out of here. Hands are a bit slippery. I'm mounting that on the driver, and then putting the tool into the bit that's attached, and they're held in place by a magnet, which makes it pretty handy so they won't fall out. The steel used in making the tools and the blades is 440C stainless. Has a good balance of hardness and corrosion resistance, and it's fairly low cost, keeping the price of the multi-tool down to a reasonable amount. The best thing about this is it has a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, all you need to do is send it back for a full refund from Grand Way. So that's a 25-in-1 black multi-tool from Grand Way.